Here is the two Goodmans and the Carrier or the HVAC productions.
We got two Goodman units and a little Carrier 38 CKC. This one is a heat pump.
Yep. Looks like they redid the mulch since the last time I was here.
These two are street cool.
Smells nice.
This is a 2013 3-ton.
This is a, I believe it was 2000 or so. This is 2015, and this is 2013. I think I'm correct.
This one's 2015.
Yeah, I've gotten this one defrosting. I've gotten everything. The air handler, fun fact, the air handler to this one is right behind the wall.
And I would imagine the furnaces for these two are upstairs.
I believe one of
the attic.
the one for this one is right behind the wall. That one I believe is in the attic.
Yeah,
I guess that wraps it up
sounds
for
like a
these.
cool one to get to.
Get the data.
And these disconnect boxes.
All right, that'll be it.